Hi YouTube, I am just showing you my small business budget, and this is for my swimming lesson business. And if you are interested in budgeting and how to create a budget and that sort of thing, feel free to subscribe. Okay, the first thing on my budget that I have here is my debt. So carrying over from the last couple of years, I still have $3,261.10 of debt. This year, I have put 852, 93, 150, 30, 20, 423, and 57.38 dollars, all adding up to $1,114.54 of new debt that I added to my business this year. Okay, so at the beginning of the season for swimming lessons, I had all of my customers pay in advance. So for session 1 of June, which was last week for swimming lessons, I had $750. This section right here that says customer name, it actually has people's personal names on it, but I just blocked that out for this video, and then I will go back and undo that and add those names back to it. But for the video's sake, just know that this has my customer's name on it, and so last week, $750 was my income. I went and took that $750 on that income and put it on my first paycheck. So for my first paycheck, I brought home $750, but I actually didn't deposit any of that into my own personal account because I put it towards this pool debt for this year. So this year we had $1,114.54, and I took that number minus $750, which now makes my pool debt for this year $364.54. Now, when my husband and I bought our pool, we actually fronted all the costs with our savings, and so the pool debt, the outstanding pool debt number, the reason I want to know this is because I want to know when my business starts generating an income. So right now, my business is still $3,261.10 in debt plus $364.54. So that's what my pool debt is still until I get enough income to pay that off. So I do have, though, people have paid me already for the summer, and for the month of June, last week I took home $750. This second week of June, I have more people that have paid than are on here. But and then I have a few people that are wanting to do private lessons, so I'll probably have over $750 at the end of this month. And then the third week of June, I'm just waiting on a few payments. Fourth week of June, I still am waiting on a few payments. But for all of June, I now have an income of $3,110 in my bank account. And for July, I have an income already that people have paid me of $1,890, and then August has like $300 in it or something, $238.83 to be exact. And the reason I'm not putting all of this into my bank account right now, I'm just putting this all towards a business, is because ethically speaking, I want to not take people's money until I have completed the job for them, and I just am doing it on a week-by-week basis, paying myself every week. Even though I have all of the money in my bank account from a lot of the customers, I'm only paying myself after I've completed a job. This way, if anything weird happens, or if anything, I don't know, if they're not happy and I somehow need to work out some sort of a deposit, I have their money there, and I can work with that. And actually, for example, today my son woke up with a really high fever of 105 degrees, and so I do swimming lessons Monday through Thursday, but today, because his fever was so high, I canceled lessons for today, and we'll do Tuesday through Friday. But if people can't make it on Friday, I might give them a little bit of a refund back. So that's why I hold that money there, because I want to have some money back if in the chance something like that happens and I need to pay them back. I don't want to pocket the money until I have done my job for them. Okay, so this week I project to make over $750, and then I will take that $750 and I will minus this balance of $364.54, and this will be my new take-home paycheck. So my take-home paycheck will then I'll just use this number right here, the $3,261.10, and subtract what I brought home to give me my new debt balance. So the reason, again, I want to know, for tax reasons, I want to know how much debt is left in my company before I start getting taxed. And then once my company starts making money, then I will have to pay taxes on that. And again, well, I guess only again if you watch my if you watch my personal budgeting accounts, but I will only start paying tithing once I start generating an income as well. So right now, everything that we've paid is a loss, because I'm not making income what I've put into my business. Even though I'm getting an income, I still have debt equaling over $4,000 of my pool business. So this year I'm really hoping that I will break even with my pool business, and that I will be able to pay myself back over $3,000, so that we're out of pool debt. And even though we paid for it up in cash, and then next year, hopefully, for the first time, I will have a business that is generating income, and then I will have taxes associated with that, and I will also have tithing associated with that. So if you are interested in getting help with your small business budget, I would love to help you, and I can send you this template if that would be something you would like. And I hope you are all having a fabulous day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.